In this video, I'll show you how to send money from one Alipay to another Alipay account. Very quick and easy, guys. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you or teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay account. So with that being said, let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on scan. The next thing you need to do is to click on album. Then from the point here, select the QR code for the payment. From your album, select the QR code for the payment. Then having selected the QR code, click on done. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter the amount you are sending to the Alipay account. Next thing you need to do is to click on confirm transfer. Then enter your payment password. Transfer done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make a screenshot of this particular proof of payment. Then after make a screenshot, click on done right here. I'm going to exit from Alipay and go straight to my WhatsApp. Then here's the person that asked me to send payment for them. So you can see my chat with them right here. So you can see, good morning, boss. I will need some RMB. If you have, let me know. Available, so you can see our chat right here. So at the end of the day, they were able to send payment for this value of RMB. So I'm going to simply click on here now, check my pictures right here and send the proof of payment, and payment done. Hit on send. It's as simple as that. So if you want me to make your payment on Alipay, or you want me to pay your supplier in China, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.